welcome back to my not YouTube channel. Okay, YouTube channel. What's up? How you good? Hope you guys good. And yeah, so today I'm doing an unboxing from Take a Lot. I bought some games that we're gonna be playing tomorrow. So let's see what it have, what it does, what it do. This video is not gonna be long. And guys, I know Nick is gonna post a bit of content more lately, but ziyakhala ke ukuthi ziyakhala diyahuletsa, it's all this and it's not cute. Hey, it's really not cute. So yeah, I'll try to make content. I want to, but situations are not agreeing. Ooh, okay, like that's a pretty small huge box for this kind of thing. Shoot. Oh, it's actually truth or dare, and but for couples, but we all make do because I couldn't find the other into like friends or anything, like, or maybe like groups. So I only got this one. The other one is controller. Okay, man, let's move this. So we'll see. Attitude, girl, attitude. Key games over the long time. One of the games, truth or dare. Guess it bites. Oh God. These. Okay. Here's another one. I think these are cups. Take a look at exaggerate this for this. So parts get easy. As in nakil rat. Kila itina anu na na pagatiaka. I feel amos. Okay.